In this video, I am going to try texture art for the first time. I wanted to explore textured art process from long. This time, I tried it with some basic materials. So do join me in this video to find out how to do it and also to learn from my mistakes so you don't have to repeat them when you are trying. So let's get started. For making this I use cardboard, wall putty, glue, brush. For painting I use chalk paints, some acrylic colors, gesso and sponge dabber. Some of this material are optional. First I drew my design on cardboard surface. Took some wall putty and poured glue in it. Added some water. Here it is always good idea to add water gradually. If paste become thin and runny, you can add wall putty in it. Stir it well to dissolve any lumps present in the mixture. I cut plastic bag and made cone from it. While filling the cone, I noticed my mixture has become runny. But still, I thought let's continue with this mistake. Removed air by pressing cone tip. Close the cone end using tape. Cut the front tip according to need. In the beginning, I made small cut as I wanted thin lines. Gently press and apply paste. Here you can see I cut the tip little more. Apply paste on the border and then using brush drag it inward. Similarly, I did leaves and flower. Slowly as you start working, you develop confidence. I had to develop enough confidence that I could remove the paste I put mistakenly. Just kidding, guys. I tried this leaf pattern differently, but because of the runny paste, it was not holding shape. I applied remaining mixture on the board around my design. Covered the edges properly. Then to make texture, I simply dab the palette knife like this. You can even use sponge here to get this effect. Using gesso, I painted the remaining area. Gesso will hide all the remaining cardboard surface. You can even stop here if you are satisfied with your art. I wanted to make colorful textured art, so I painted light blue colors to flowers. I used chalk paint here to get matte finish. I used sponge dabber to color the textured area. To add contrast, I painted dark color around flowers and leaf. Like this, my butterfly and flower textured art is ready. I didn't expect it to turn out so well. It doesn't look like it is done on cardboard. You can even do this on canvas or MDF board. You can decorate your house with this type of art. If you are a beginner like me, I will suggest trying it on the cardboard to gain confidence. This can be an excellent piece of wall decor. Do let me know your thoughts on this. I'll be exploring more creative ideas like this in future, so stay tuned and subscribe. Till we meet again, be creative and keep creating. Peace.